there, fourth grade percussion. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Remember, from now on, videos are posted on Mondays. So welcome to your first Monday posted lesson. So today we're going to start out as we normally do, working on our scales. So the first thing, let's bring you down here. Check your grip. As always, making sure our hands are in the right spot. Good, turn those hands over. Good, these 3 fingers on the sides are just going to help control those mallets. Good, remember the back of the hand to the ceiling. Feet flat on the ground that are about shoulder width apart. Good, we're going to find where our hip bones are and then bring our hands straight out from there. Good, we don't want to stand too close to the mallets. We also don't want to stand too far away. We also want to position our body so that it's right over where we're playing. So sometimes if we're playing higher on the instrument, we might have to move our feet versus lower on the instrument. Okay. All right, cool, guys. Let's start out with our scale that we normally do with the alternating hands. We're going to do 4 quarter notes for each note of the scale from C up to C. All right, and back down. Here we go. 1, 2, keep it steady, and back down. And let it ring. Awesome. All right, guys, we're going to now go up and we're just going to do 1 note for each of the scale all the way up from low C up to high C. 1 note. All right, each time we go. Here we go. 2, starting on C, and alternate your hands. Let it ring. And back down. Good, let it ring. Awesome, cool. All right, guys, we are going to now go to our exercise in the book that is right here. I'm going to show you the music. I did email it out to parents, so hopefully they check their email. They would have gotten this from me. All right, this PDF I sent along with the other one that we're going to do in a second, this one right here. All right, so we're going to start though with this one, and we're going to look right at number 4 we're going to start with. So we did numbers 1, 2, and 3 last week, and so today we're going to start right here with number 4. All right, cool. So move you back down. Let's see, with number 4, let's start it out with just practicing it with our fingers. All right, just with our fingertips so we can get the right versus left, so we can practice this going all the way up. We're going to be really trying now to work on looking down as little as possible and getting used to where our fingers where our hands have to go. In this case right now, our fingers to hit each bar without looking at it. All right, and learning that spatial awareness of where the bars are. Okay, so number 4, starting out with our C, let's say the names of these notes together as we touch them with our fingertips. Here we go. So it's going to go C, 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 D, C, 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 E, C, 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 F, C, 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 G, C, 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 A, C, 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 B, C, 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 and C, C, C. Keep going. Next line. C, 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 A, C, 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 G, C, F, E, D, and C. So you can repeat that if you'd like to. Right now, we're not going to repeat it. All right, you can pause the video though and repeat it. All right, so now we're going to play I'm going to actually play for right now using just the wooden part, not this part. When you're at home, go ahead and use, the top part of your stick as normal. For right now, I'm going to just play with the back part just because I think that maybe the sound is a little bit better on the recording when it's not quite as loud as when I'm hitting it with this part of the mallet. All right, so let's give it a try. Number 4 at the very beginning. All right, you hold your sticks normal. I'm just going to have mine backwards. All right, here we go. Number 4. 1, 2, ready, and C, 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 D, E, F, G, A, B, high C. Good, and back down. It's okay if you make a mistake, like I just did. Keep going. And last note. Good. All right, so when we're learning any instrument, you're going to make mistakes, all right? And when you're playing mallets like this, it's easy to accidentally kind of hit in between bars, all right? Our goal is just to keep working to get better. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Keep on going, all right? And then we'll go back and we'll work on it after we go through it, one time. So we just went through it the first time. Now, this is where you're going to go back and really start working on it specifically in certain spots. All right. And so for right now, our goal is also going to be to get used to where each note is so that we're not necessarily looking down the whole time. All right. This is hard because I can't really show you my bells and you see my face at the same time. We'll work on that for the future. I'm going to switch away pretty soon from using this kind of a setup where you're seeing the music on here, because hopefully when you're able to pull up the music either on your computer or on something or print it out, this music that I'm showing you that I have sent to your parents, I'm going to try to set it up so that we can try it with the camera kind of on the side so you can see what I'm looking at and we can it'd be a little bit more like normal, like a normal lesson, kind of. All right, but we'll play with that in the future. For right now, I'm just going to show you. Let's see if I can have you kind of see what I'm. It still doesn't really work. Ugh. Well, anyway, so I'm going to really work on trying to look at the music. So I'm going to look at the music that you're looking at too right now. All right, so we're going to start with our right hand. I want you to see how far you can go. Whew, that's hard. All right, I want you to pause the video and go ahead and give it a try. See how far you can get. And if you make a mistake, it's okay. It's part of learning, right? It's all part of it. Go ahead, pause the video. See if you can do that without looking down at the bars. All right, let's see if we can do this. Go ahead, pause it, try it by yourself, and then when you're ready, we'll try it together. Here we go. When you're ready to play it together, let's go for it. Here we go. You can go slow by yourself. You can try it faster by yourself. I would start slow always. Here we go. Let's do it together now. 2, try not to look down much. Go. Okay, good. Stop right there. Cool. All right, so that's definitely something to practice. That is tricky. That's something that I'm going to practice. All right, because it's really fun once you can actually get it and you can play it, without having to look down much and really getting used to where those bars are and being able to hit them without having to constantly look up and down. All right, and it's really important when we're beginning mallets like this. Okay, so keep working on that song right there. That one's fun. All right, let's look at this next one, number 5. I'm going to have to make myself a little smaller. Cool. Look at number 5. Left hand only. So we've had one like this last week. So let's give this a try with our left hand only. All right, but we're going to start at the top. All right. start at the top. We're going to go all the way down, actually past our low C, all the way down to our low B, and then back up to the top. You can do it with the repeat at home, but for right now, we're going to play it without the repeat. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Two, three, four. Good. Now we're going to play it again. This time, try not to look down. I was looking down pretty much the whole time that time. This time, I'm not going to. Okay, we're going to do our best. 2, left hand, go. Two, three, four. Good. How'd you guys do on that one? Again, not easy. All about getting used to it. So I would always suggest try it the first time and actually let yourself look so you get used to it. Or maybe the first couple times look and then look up at the music and see how far you can get without looking down and just adjusting a little bit each time to go to the next note. All right. I promise each time you do it, it's going to get better. All right. And now let's look at number 6. Let's check 6 out. I'll make myself bigger up here. Cool. Number 6. All right, we're all alternating hands again, but it's going to be a similar pattern to what number 4 was. Alternating hands. So let's take a look. Up here at the top, starting on our high C. Let's try it first time without our mallets, just with our fingertips, practicing our notes and which hand we're on, left or right. Here we go. So let's try it together. Ready, and C, C, B, C, A, C, G, C, F, C, E, C, D, C, 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 all the way down to B, C, back up, C, D, C, E, C, F, C, G, C, A, C, B, C, C. Okay, let's try it slowly. Here we go. First time, you can look up and down. All right, we're getting used to it. And then we'll work more on not looking down. Here we go from the beginning. 2, slowly, and C, C, B, C. All the way down to B, C, and back up. Okay, now here's what number 5 was doing. So 5 was having you just practice this part down, right? Now 6 is taking that and adding the right hand with it, right? So it's just your left hand's doing exactly what you did in number 5. All right, so it's pretty cool how it's like taking one skill and then it's adding something else that's just kind of repetitive to that same skill, and it kind of makes a whole new song, and it sounds really cool when you add that C that just keeps repeating in the right hand, right? All right, so guys, let's try that one again. This time, try not to look down. All right, just do your very best. If you have to glance down now and then, it's okay, but we're going to do our best to just look at our music. All right, look right up here at the music. I'll show you. I'm going to try looking right up here at the music. Whew, here we go. Do your best as I'm going to do my best. Here we go. 2, beginning slowly, and all right, well, sorry about that. I think I messed up some notes in there. All right, but once again, the goal is keep working on it. I'm going to keep working on that because I need to keep getting better too. All right, so it is tricky. All right, pause the video, go through that a whole bunch of times, okay? And then I want you to see how fast you can do it, all right? But it has to be accurate, all right? Don't just play it fast and miss notes all over the place. Work on it slowly at first, go through it, and then see if you can play that song while looking either at the computer or looking at the actual music. If you've printed it out or anything, put that music up in front of you. Don't look at your bells. Look at that music and see if you can go through it. Because if you keep practicing it, it'll get better. I'll work on it. All right, cool. Now, the next thing we're going to do is let's take a look over here at this page. Awesome. Let's start right here at Turn Around. Right here, this song. It's going to be way easier than the stuff that you were just playing. So take a look. Left hand first. This is up on that high D. All right, so the cool thing is this is just working on 3 different notes. We've talked about this last time. We're on the D right here. All right, then we go to the C right here on the space, and then the B flat right here with this flat symbol. All right, D's, C, rest, B flat, C, C, B flat. Now, right here, we add in, it's called a repeat sign. It talks about it right here, 2 dots. Anytime at the end of the music, it's got 2 dots. It just means you are going to bounce all the way back to the beginning and play it again. We're going to play 1.13 all the way to the end, and then we're going to jump back to the beginning. All right, let's give it a try. From the beginning. Here we go. Starting on our D. Left hand. 1, 2, ready, go. D, 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 C, 2, 3, B flat, left twice in a row, then right twice in a row, and back to left. 2, repeat beginning. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, move your hands and left, right, left. 2, 3, 4. Now, guys, I got to tell you something. I've already noticed when I work on being able to really get that spacing right and look down and then up and focus on staying my eyes up and just trying to continue on, based on where your hands are supposed to move, like it's already better. Like I can feel like I can do that better. So hopefully when you guys are at home playing, hopefully it's feeling better for you too. Like practicing, keeping your eyes up and not looking up and down constantly, or not just like looking at it and then looking down and staying down. Hopefully it's getting better at like seeing it and then being able to play it, right? Without constantly up and down and stopping what you're playing so you can look up or look down. Okay, look at the next one. 1.14, hot cross buns. You've played this before. Let's play it on our bells, starting with that high D. Here we go. Let's give it a try together. 1, 2, ready, and D, C, and B flat. Rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Good. At home, I want you to pause the video and repeat it back and play it again. All right? It's all about keeping that beat steady. Don't change your beat. Keep it really steady the whole time. See if you can play that song without looking down very much. All right, it's just those 3 notes. See if you can do it. All right, and then the last one here we go. If you happen to print this out at home, this is a great thing that you can take a pencil and mark where the bar lines are. So notice in 1.14, hot cross buns, this is a bar line. It's separating the measures, right? Bar line, bar line. This one doesn't have a bar line. It doesn't have any in there. So we've got to draw them in. So it's a little bit of math to figure out where they go. All right, so at home, I want you to figure out where those bar lines go. Every measure has to have 4 beats. It has the total 4. So you have 2 plus 2, half note plus a half note equals 4. All right, up here you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter notes. each quarter note only gets one beat. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 beats. So every measure needs 4 beats. So 1, 2, and a half note gets 2 beats. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. So your first bar line will be right there. All right. And once you've drawn those in, then play them with me. Here we go. Let's try it. This is our last song for the day. 2, ready, and... Good. I want you to repeat that song at home because there's a repeat sign at the end of it. All right, guys. Nice job. Awesome work. Keep working on getting used to where the bars are on our mallets, okay? So that you don't have to constantly look up and down. All right. There are a lot of times that you're going to have to like memorize little things and then you can look down and play them. But we're going to see if we can really work on getting used to where the bars are on our instrument so that we can look up and try to play quite a bit without like actually having to look down until we kind of reposition. All right. And that's okay. All right, guys, I hope you have an awesome week this week. Happy practicing, and I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye.